Hello, I'm with Carolina Mortgage Advisors. If you've ever dreamed of owning a beautiful home in the Carolinas, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. I've spent my career helping people turn homeownership dreams into reality, and I know firsthand how life-changing it can be to have a place to truly call your own. The Carolinas offer incredible opportunities for every lifestyle, from the breathtaking Blue Ridge Mountains to the sunny, inviting beaches and the vibrant communities in between. Many people believe you need a huge down payment or perfect credit to buy a home, but that's not always true. In fact, there are more options than you might think, and many are designed to help first-time buyers just like you. There are smart, accessible options for first-time buyers, including programs that can help you get into a home sooner than you ever imagined. You don't have to wait years to start building equity and creating memories. Today, we'll explore how an FHA mortgage can make owning a home in North or South Carolina possible for you, even if you're working with a modest budget or less than perfect credit. Imagine investing in your own future, not your landlord's, and building a foundation for your family in a place you love. Homeownership is about more than just a roof over your head. It's about stability, pride, and creating a legacy. Ready to learn more? Let's dive into how you can get started on your journey to homeownership and discover the steps that will bring you closer to your Carolina dream. For expert advice and personalized guidance, call Carolina Mortgage Advisors at 910-512-0009. Your dream home is waiting. Let's make it a reality together. So, what is an FHA mortgage? If you're thinking about buying a home in North or South Carolina, you might have heard this term before. But what does it really mean for you as a home buyer? FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, a government agency created during the Great Depression to help more Americans achieve the dream of homeownership. The FHA doesn't actually lend you money directly. Instead, they insure your mortgage loan, which means if you default, the lender is protected. This insurance encourages banks and lenders to offer loans to buyers who might not otherwise qualify. This government-backed program is especially designed for buyers who may not meet the strict requirements of conventional loans, such as first-time buyers or those with less than perfect credit. With an FHA mortgage, lower credit scores and smaller down payments are welcome. In fact, you can put down as little as 3.5% of the home's price, making homeownership more accessible for many families. It's not free money, but it's a flexible tool that can help you buy your first home, move into a new neighborhood, or even refinance your current mortgage if you qualify. The FHA looks at your overall ability to pay, not just your credit history. They consider your income, employment, and other factors, making it possible for more people to get approved. Millions of Americans have used this program to start building equity, create stability for their families, and invest in their futures. If you're curious about whether you qualify for an FHA mortgage or want to learn more about your options, Carolina Mortgage Advisors can walk you through every step of the process and answer all your questions. Call 910-512-0009 today, and let's see how we can help you open the door to your new home. Why are FHA loans so powerful? The biggest benefit, a down payment as low as 3.5%. On a $300,000 home, that's just $10,500. FHA loans are also more forgiving with credit scores, giving more people a fair shot at homeownership. Sellers can help with closing costs, and you can use gift funds for your down payment. There are requirements like mortgage insurance, but it's what makes these loans possible. Millions have chosen this path to get the keys to their own home. Want to see if it's right for you? Talk to an expert. Call 910-512-0009. Your homeownership journey could start today. Navigating mortgages can be tough, but you don't have to do it alone. Carolina Mortgage Advisors are local experts who know the Carolinas inside and out. They offer personal service, guiding you from consultation to closing. Their team listens, explains every step, and handles the paperwork. They'll help you get pre-approved and give you a competitive edge. Think of them as your home buying coach. Don't go it alone. Get a professional in your corner. Call Carolina Mortgage Advisors at 910-512-0009. Your path to homeownership starts with one call. Real people, real results. Here's how FHA loans are transforming lives right here in the Carolinas. Every day, families and individuals just like you are discovering that homeownership is possible, even when it once felt out of reach. These are the stories of neighbors who took a chance and found a place to call their own. Meet Sarah and Tom, two dedicated teachers in Raleigh. For years, they believed that buying a home was just a dream, something for someday. Rising rent and student loans made saving seem impossible. But with the help of an FHA loan, they discovered a path forward. With just 3.5% down, Sarah and Tom were able to purchase their very first home. Now, they have a backyard for their dog and a space to grow their family. Their story is proof that the right support can make dreams come true. Then there's Marcus, a proud veteran living in Colombia. After being denied a conventional loan, he worried he'd never provide a stable home for his daughter. But the flexibility of an FHA loan changed everything for them. Thanks to FHA, Marcus was able to buy a safe, welcoming home where his daughter can thrive. Their laughter now fills the backyard, and Marcus has peace of mind knowing he's built a better future. Stories like these are happening all across North and South Carolina. From recent graduates to growing families and newlyweds, people from all walks of life are turning their dreams into real addresses, one step at a time. The common thread in every story? They reached out for guidance and found someone who truly cared about their journey. Taking that first step made all the difference. Imagine your own story unfolding, walking through the door of your new home, feeling the excitement and pride of ownership. It all starts with believing it's possible. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back from the life you want. Support and expert advice are just a call away. Reach out to a local expert who understands your needs and is ready to help you every step of the way. Call Carolina Mortgage Advisors at 910-512-0009. Friendly professionals are waiting to answer your questions and guide you home. Take the first step today and start your own success story. Your dream home in the Carolinas is closer than you think. We've shown how FHA loans open doors for Carolina homebuyers. Homeownership isn't just for those with perfect credit or big savings. It's within your reach. Every mortgage payment builds your future, not your landlord's. The market is strong, and now is the time to act. Carolina Mortgage Advisors are ready to guide you every step of the way. Don't wait. Take the first step toward your dream home. Call 910-512-0009 today. Your Carolina dream home is closer than you think.